Hi there. Several manufacturers supply barcode printing scales intended for use by customers to self-serve. The scales maintain a database of product codes known as PLU and a price per weight of each. When the customer has selected a product and weighed their required amount, the scales print a barcode that contains some combination of a PLU, the weight and/or price. Tillex is able to read these barcodes at checkout and automatically add the appropriate quantity and price to the customer's cart. But to correctly interpret the printed barcode, Tillex needs to know the PLU for each product and the format of the barcode. Okay, so you know how you've configured your scales to print the barcode, and this one has been set up to show the weight. And there's simply not enough room on a barcode strip to fit in the product lookup code, the weight and the price. So here you can see that it's 46p for 100 grams, which is £4.60 for a kilo, and the weight of it is on that barcode as just under a kilo, 0.876. So it's worked out the price. Therefore, it hasn't had to put it in the barcode. The product lookup code, the PLU, will be amongst the first in the row of 6. So probably 1704 means arborio rice. But the merchant would know, and then you'd go to your Tillex Partner Centre, which I'll show you in a minute, on how to say exactly what number sits where in your barcode. This label was printed by a set of Beserber scales. Now let's look at a label printed by Avery Burkle. So they're all pretty similar. The trick here is whether that £2.08 is the PLU or the price. But you would know that as it's your scales and you will have set it up. Right, so now you've got the gist of it, let's go look at how you tell Tillex in the Partner Centre that you have a set of scales and how you lay out your barcode format. Click on Administrator and then go to epos Configuration. Select the Scales tab and add your scales. Call them generic, and as these are not going to be integrated with a single terminal, you can put it at top level here. Click the plus button and type the name. Then you can see the barcode format layout here. This is what we need to know. Every subscriber has access to the knowledge base documents in the Tillex SharePoint library, so make sure you read that as well. The merchant told us here that 2089 is the product lookup code for hand soap fig on this label, and we know the price is £2.08, so the price is 0208. You can go to £99.99. On the barcode format layout in the Tillex Partner Centre, you would have XX, as these two digits are not useful, CCCC, as that's the PLU, and XX, as those two digits are not useful, and PPPP, as that's the price, and the rest of the boxes are not needed, so use an X. Once you've registered your scales, it doesn't matter what type, and Tillex understands the format of your barcode, go and enter the PLU codes into the SKU list on the inventory. So click on that and you'll see a list of all products. Then search for your item. Click on the arrow at the bottom to lift up information on it and enter the 4-digit PLU, the product lookup code. And then Tillex will store it, add that to the barcode and know exactly what it's reading when your customer brings a label over. Let's put the whole thing together. I've got a label here with the product lookup code as 0054 for peanuts, and in the inventory I've listed that product lookup code on the item. I'll search for it. There you can see peanuts. I've gone through everything I've explained earlier. There's the PLU code, and my scales are registered for price, so it's £2.93. Okay guys, sorry it's a bit wonky. I'm in head office trying to stick this onto my computer to show you, and there's the label. I'll get the barcode scanner, and I won't even need to search for the item. The POS is all set up. I simply scan it and it pops straight into the cart. So Tillex makes your life much easier with the real-time stock control. As your customers are weighing out items, it's coming straight out of stock, and also there's little margin for error as you've entered all the details in and it's reading the barcode label. Do watch the video on the DigiScales, which are fully integrated with Tillex. That means the barcode labels are read, and also the products and prices can be updated straight from the Tillex Partner Centre, saving you time as you don't have to go and update the scales.